Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's been struggling with dry, flaky skin, or just looking for an effective moisturizer that actually works, this product might just be the solution you need. Today, I'm diving into the Udderly Smooth Non-Greasy Hand and Body Moisturizer Cream Bundle. This 3-count kit promises 24-hour moisture, and what makes it stand out is that it's non-greasy, providing relief to dry, dull skin without leaving any sticky residue behind. It's a product that claims to not only hydrate but also smooth and soften, with ingredients like allantoin and glycerin. But does it really live up to these claims? Utterly Smooth is a brand that's actually pharmacist formulated, so you know there's a solid foundation in skincare science here. The formula is built to deliver fast-absorbing moisture without that heavy, greasy feeling many lotions leave behind. The set includes a hand cream and a body cream, perfect for anyone who needs all-day hydration, from head to toe. I've been testing this out for a couple of weeks now, and I can honestly say that the texture is surprisingly lightweight for a product that's supposed to hydrate deeply. When you apply it, it absorbs almost instantly into the skin, leaving it soft and smooth with no greasy residue, just like the product promises. I've tried this on both my hands and body, and I found it works best in the morning after a shower. It's the type of product you can trust to keep your skin feeling comfortable all day without needing constant reapplication. The real beauty of this product is how it works on sensitive skin. The allantoin in the formula helps to calm redness and irritation, while glycerin draws moisture into the skin, helping it stay hydrated for hours. I have pretty dry skin on my arms and legs, and I noticed a visible improvement after just a couple of uses. Less flakiness and more hydration. And the best part? It doesn't irritate, so it's perfect if you have sensitive skin or are prone to reactions from heavily fragranced products. As far as performance goes, Utterly Smooth really excels in delivering long-lasting hydration without any unpleasant afterfeel. However, it's worth noting that while this product is great for dryness and irritation, it doesn't do much in terms of anti-aging benefits or more specialized skincare needs. If you're looking for a moisturizer that targets fine lines or has anti-aging properties, this might not be the product for you. Now let's talk value for money. At first glance, the price might seem a little higher than typical drugstore moisturizers, but considering that you're getting 3 full-size tubes, hand cream, body cream, and another body cream, it's actually a pretty solid deal. Plus, the product's ability to keep skin hydrated and smooth without reapplication makes it worth the price in my opinion. In terms of alternatives, if you're on a budget but still need something with a similar level of effectiveness, there are plenty of drugstore moisturizers with similar formulas. But you won't find many that are pharmacist formulated with the specific combination of ingredients that Utterly Smooth offers. As for build quality, the packaging is simple yet effective. The tubes are sturdy, easy to use, and travel-friendly, perfect for keeping in your bag or by your bedside. There's nothing fancy here, but it gets the job done. If you're looking for a basic, no-frills, effective moisturizer that will provide relief for dry skin, Utterly Smooth is a solid choice. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, fast-absorbing, and non-greasy. Everything you want in a daily moisturizer. For the price, I'd say it's definitely worth considering if hydration is your top priority. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used Utterly Smooth, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.